So Jordan and I have decided today that we're going to what? Make new crayons?
Yes.
We're going to make new crayons.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're making new crayons.
So we found some old crayons. We did not buy any new for this school year. So we're going to make some new ones. Jordan, you want to go over there and show them what we're doing?
Yes.
So Jordan is actually helping me cut up the pink, and of course I'm using the knife. And I'm cutting them up, and I'm trying to put a light color in each of the heart. And Jordan is busy. Jordan, what are you doing? Tell them.
Cutting this.
And what are we making?
The new ones.
Making new ones. And what shape are we making the new crayons
Can you
into?
cut for me?
Yes, I'll help you. What shape are we making the new ones into?
A heart.
A heart. So tell them to look forward for the new crayons, right? Say,
Can you guys have to find a new crayon to cut for us? A
Okay.
white one.
all right, so I'll show you guys what we do after.
Hey guys,
Uh-huh.
we made crayons.
We're making crayons. So we teamwork, and I cut them here, and Jordan filled the hearts, and I let him do it. And where are we gonna put them now?
Into the oven.
Into the oven. And it says initially that it's 15 minutes. We're gonna leave it in the pan. They say 15 minutes, but I think these are smaller. I tried to cut them smaller, so it may be 10 minutes. So I'm going to put it for 10 minutes, but in 5 minutes I'm going to actually check on them, and then in 10 minutes I'll check on it, and then as it goes I'll let you guys know how long. So it's 230 degrees it's recommended, 230, 235, and yeah, about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll update you guys. These are pretty small. Let me just show you my finger compared to it. It says they're pretty small, and we try to fill it as much as we can. You can have it color coded. I just allow Jordan to put it in. One little tip I would suggest, because he got bored after a while, would be for you to cut some of it on your own without your toddler or child, and then do some with them so they understand the concept of what you're doing, so that they can be involved and not bored, because Jordan was running around trying to do stuff also. So I'll check in with you guys and show you guys No, it's hot. So guys, this is after 10 minutes. It's not ready, so we're gonna check back in 5 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so it's ready, and we're gonna take it out.
It's ready to draw.
No, it's not ready to draw it. It has to cool out. But we're gonna take it out and show our friends what it look like. So they're wet. Alright, let me pick Jordan up, and then I will continue showing you. So I'm wondering if I take a toothpick and we swirl some of them, if we're able to mix the colors. Jordan, careful.
Let me make the color.
Jordan wants to mix some of the colors. Don't mix. I mixed that one already. Try a different one. Try a different one. We don't want to have one solid color, so let's mix this one. How about? Okay. All right. Try mixing another one.
There's a lot.
Okay, that almost looks like we have created one solid color.
And this one.
All right, so we're mixing. To quicken it up, I read that you can actually put it in the freezer, which is what I think we will do. Oopsie, we made a mess. And I'll let you know. So 15 minutes was a charm. Just remember a little tip. If you use white or really light colors, which I did use because Jordan did not use a lot of the lighter colors and white, because it was not showing up, or it does not show up so much on, when he's coloring in his coloring book or he's drawing. It's a good time to put them in here, which I did, and while we were using a toothpick to mix some of it up, you just don't want the whites to remain solid. You want it to mix in with maybe some other color. So I actually did that here with a couple of these lighter ones. We'll see how they come out. So I'm going to pop it into the freezer and check them every 5 minutes. So we placed it in the freezer. Kind of forgot about it. You know how life goes with a toddler. So I think it stayed for about 15 minutes.
It's not stuffed.
So the only thing is I tried pulling out this one. And this is a mold that I got from my neighbor after Valentine's, and I used it. And that's the thing. If you have any type of molds, you can use this. This was the quickest one that I could have reached for when we were doing this. But we have quite a few other molds, so we'll try those in the future.
You made ABCD.
And are going to test it on a little project. What letter is this?
K.
That's an A.
A.
What letter is that?
Ants.
What letter is this?
Okay.
It's not a key. We just said, what is it? An A.
A.
Yes, it's an A. Jordan, how old are you?
This 2.
You're 2.
Infinity.
You're infinity. All right, so we're going to pull out the crayons and show you what they look like. So this is what it looks like. Notice that we did fill the molds to the top with the crayon, and by the time they melted, they are this thick. So I think some are even sunken, but this is perfectly fine for Jordan. This is what I was saying, we're trying to mix it up. We still end up with a chunky white piece there, but of course, as he uses these and they become pieces again, we can melt and create new projects. So let's do the major test and see if they work well. Hey guys, so Jordan is testing it in his coloring book.
It's not working.
And he's saying that it's not working. So, they are not. Oh, we are getting some color, Jordan. So maybe you have to color really hard.
It's not working.
So Jordan's own is not working. You want to try my own and see? Oh, it is working.
It's not working.
Yes, it's working. Maybe you just need to press. So I think what the problem is, you do have to press a little harder than usual. Okay, so this side here, which was facing up, is not coming out well, but the side that was in the mold is what's working. So Jordan, you want to try coloring with this side and not, yes, that side. Try coloring. Let's try a brighter color. Try coloring with this.
Try again.
Yes. Yeah, there we go.
So
we're going to try play around with this and see how it works.
Oh, no.
And I'll definitely let you guys know. We more or less just pulled the crayons that he had that were broken in his little basket to use. So what you have to do is hold it like this and color like. We kind of figure out what's happening. I think it's because I mixed so many lighter colors in that we're getting that problem, because when I do the darker ones with the darker sides, they're fine, and when I use stuff with the lighter colors that will blend it in, it's coming out super pale. That's because there's like white and cream in it. So I'm guessing those colors really did not help the situation. Yeah, you can't really repurpose those too much because it's not helping, you know, this, I don't know. I'm thinking that's it. That could be part of it too, because I did have a lot of white and I did have a lot of like a cream color, and I of course don't know how old these are. But Jordan is having fun with the molds and putting them in and taking them out and counting, so at least we're getting some use out of it. Say bye, Jordan.
Bye.